Hi again. I'm just got back from turning in an application for a job because I need something to do. And so why not make some money, right? So today or I guess now, not today, because technically made another video today, but it was at like 4 in the morning. So I'm going to pick this lock. Just takes a little bended piece of metal called a tension wrench and a little homemade rake. See if you can see that. It's all like bumpy. So you just, first let me prove that it is in fact locked. There's no way I could force this open. It's a commercial master lock. It's actually kind of a piece of shit. I'll show you why. It's with a homemade piece of little metal and a bent piece of metal. It'll come right open. Here's another master lock. Very locked. See, pushing down on it, it's not going to open just with this. But with a little wavy piece of metal, just takes a second. I'm now going to try and show you that I can pick my house lock. You are not safe in your own home. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that with a little bendy piece of metal and a wavy piece of metal, you can easily break into someone's house. Not that I've never actually stolen anything from anyone's house, but it's a hobby that I picked up. So, let's see, right here, see it's like opened, I opened it. Let me see if I can't aim this at the door. It's a really bad angle, but right now it's like that thing's out. I'm gonna hopefully get it in. Just a second. That's really all it takes if you do it right, which I can sometimes do. I'm not bad. Hey. I don't know, I'm just gonna make like a YouTube video about lockpicking. You're not safe in your home.
Do you need help?
No.
How are you
My computer's,
videoing yourself?
my computer's right behind me.
Nice view of your butt. Is that a hard one?
Sometimes. Screw it, I can't get it open. Okay, you are safe in your home as long as you don't use a house lock or hand lock. It's raining, so it's probably a little more. The pins are probably a little more stiff, but I'll pick it at some point and show you.